Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make croissants. We'll start by gathering our simple ingredients, focusing on quality butter and flour. This easy method simplifies the traditional process, making delicious, flaky pastries achievable for home bakers. You'll learn the essential steps from mixing the dough to the final bake, ensuring a delightful result every time. First, combine your dry ingredients: 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 2 teaspoons of active dry yeast. Then, gradually add 1 cup of cold milk and 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Mix until a shaggy dough forms. Cover it and chill in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes to firm up. Now for the lamination, which creates those wonderful layers. Roll out your chilled dough and place a 6-ounce block of cold butter in the center. Fold the dough over the butter, sealing it completely. Roll it out, then perform a simple letter fold. Chill for 20 minutes, then repeat this roll and fold process 2 more times. This builds incredible flakiness. Finally, it's time to shape and bake your croissants. Roll the dough out to about 1/4 inch thick. Cut it into triangles, then gently roll each triangle from the wide base to the point, forming a crescent. Let them proof until puffy, then bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 18 minutes, or until they are beautifully golden brown and irresistible.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.